What's up, guys? Oh, why do I always do that? What's up, guys? Today we are gonna... Sorry if the camera's so close to me. Today we are gonna be reacting to the weirdest and loudest sneezes you will ever hear. It's probably gonna be funny. And just so you know, we're gonna be reacting to another YouTuber watching it because I couldn't find the original video. Let's do this.
Wait, that was a real sneeze. Oh my god. What's going on, guys? Infinitelist here, back with another video. Now today we are going to be looking at the weirdest and loudest and just weirdest sneezes ever. But first, let's try to make myself sneeze. I don't think I've ever sneezed in a video, and I think my sneeze is kind of funny, so let's try it. Before we do that, guys, make sure you are subscribed. Here's today's shout out. Thank you so much for subscribing, turning on my notifications, and commenting down below. You're the freaking best, guys. Also, cop my merch. It is the first link in the description. So soft, so cheap, so nice, guys. We got new merch. It's so cool. Right here on the screen. It's like 2 weeks old now, but still, it's so nice, guys. Go cop some, guys. It is so sick. Alright, guys, let's try to make my snelf. Did I just say snelf? What? Try to make myself sneeze. In 3, 2, 1. I don't like this. This is the weirdest feeling ever. Oh. Why is there scary music right now? Put on something like nice. Come on. Okay, that's better. Oh, that feels so weird. Oh, I hate this so much. Come on, dude. It's not working. I'm so sorry, guys. If I sneeze, I won't cut it out of the video. This is a part 2 video. I couldn't make myself sneeze last video either. What the heck, dude? I'm also going to be rating the sneezes on this whiteboard. 10 out of 10 sneeze. That's going to be really funny, really weird. And 1 out of 10 sneeze is just a normal lame sneeze. So let's get right into it. Alright, we got a girl just chilling. Recording herself. I don't know why. Wait, can we play that again? That was amazing.
Oh.
Amazing. What should we rate that, guys? That was, that was a pretty weird sneeze. It was kind of funny. Let's go 7 out of 10.
Just wait.
Oh, that looks like 7 out of 16. 7 out of 16. Fine, that works too. Whatever. Whenever I sneeze and I'm like with people, I try to make my sneeze the loudest it can be so I can just scare everyone. I don't know. I'm a freaking troll, guys.
That was disgusting.
That sounded so gross.
A cough and a sneeze.
That was a cough and sneeze.
That's so funny.
It sounded like snot came out of his
That was
nose.
super gross. Let's just play that first part again. That was disgusting. It sounded like a fart, too. It sounded like she pooped. Oh, that was disgusting. Let's rate that real quick. I really hope this isn't backwards. I don't think it is. Did I spell that right? I'm sorry, dude. What the heck? I'm stupid. I think she low-key farted, coughed, and sneezed at the same time. I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. That was just... it's just disgusting. The sniffing pepper...
Oh, what the what?
What? It sounds like a freaking cat. What the heck? Let's play that one more time.
Like
I'm sorry,
cat.
I was talking. Let's just play it. What the heck? That was a weird sneeze. What? How is that real? There's no way, dude. That sounded like a cat or like a little kitten just meowing. Like, what? I really hope you guys can't hear that wind. It is so windy outside. It's making a really weird sound, and I'm sorry if you can hear it. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, on to the next one. What? No way. What is he doing? He's going like... Like, what is that? No, that's not a sneeze. That's weird. I give that sneeze a 7.2348 out of 10. Very specific, I know, but that's just how I feel about it, so don't judge me.
Oh, that was disgusting. Gross.
That was disgusting. What? Oh, I'm so... Oh
That's
my
disgusting.
God, that was disgusting.
That's just water on them.
Ew, bro.
You just spilled
What the
water on
heck?
them to
Cover
make
your
it-
freaking mouth, bro. I'm not
just
even gonna rate
water
that
on
sneeze. You don't deserve a rating. You freaking sneezed all freaking gross, dude.
Yeah,
Now it
it
looks like I
is
peed
gross.
myself, dude. Are you kidding me, dude? What the heck? Everyone's gonna think I peed myself. When's she gonna sneeze? The anticipation. When is she gonna sneeze?
Why did it explode?
I'm okay. Everything just exploded. I don't know why. Guys, I'm gonna have to rate that a 8 out of 10, I guess. I don't know what the. Let's just continue.
That's the cutest thing
World's
ever.
cutest sneeze goes to that kid. How do you make a sneeze that cute? He's just like, I too.
Sorry.
Whoa. What is this? It's like a cough, sneeze, or what? Jesus. What? Was that a cough or a sneeze? I couldn't really tell. I think it was both. That was like 5 or 6 sneezes back to back. That's crazy. My record is like, I think 4, maybe 5. I don't know. What is your guys' records for sneezing? 4 or 5, that's mine. Try to beat me. You probably can't because I'm the frickin' best.
You're frozen.
Okay. What? That was like a fart mouth sneeze. That was great.
What the what?
I'm gonna rate that. I don't even
Fart
want to pick up
mouth
that
sneeze?
whiteboard anymore, so I'm just gonna rate it
That's
a subscribe to Infinite Lists. I don't. Is that good? Yeah.
Oh, did you see everything coming out?
Cover your freaking mouth, disgusting. Look at all that
stuff
stuff coming
coming
out.
out. That's
Jesus, freaking
just
waterfall
disgusting.
everywhere. You're gonna have to mop after that one. What the heck?
Oh, sorry, I'm still pointing.
Okay, I can already tell this is gonna be
cute.
the cutest thing ever.
That one.
What was that?
That one was, I think, was even cuter than the little coo just went at you. Yeah, that was way cuter.
Was that a sneeze or was that a yell? I couldn't tell. That was amazing. The cutest baby sneeze ever. I think that one might be cuter than the kid who went achoo. That one was good. Guys, are you ready for the last clip of the video? Drop a like right now. Comment below saying chicken chalupa, and I'll be hearting some comment. I don't know why I picked these weird words. Just do it. Drop a like. Dope. What was that? Scramble, oh my god.
It sounds like he's
Amazing.
crying.
What is he doing?
It sounds like he's crying.
Oh, let's just give that a quick little rating, real quick. What do you guys think it's gonna be? What do you guys think it's gonna be? Oh, it's I'm stupid. That wasn't even funny. Thank you so much for watching the video. Definitely make sure to smash the fattest and huge.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Let's see if we can reach 30K likes on this video, and I'll do another video of this. See you later, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.